My Cavoodle Bambi gets really funny about like loud noises, especially around her face. So when I use the professional dryer, I actually use it on a low setting when I'm doing around her face. So this is the setting that I use when I'm doing around her face, because she doesn't react as much. As you can see, she's still enjoying the process. But when I need to do the back of her body and I don't want to be there forever, I turn her around and I turn the noise level up high and the heat setting up high, which I'll show you now. And that's what I use for around her legs, her back, and her tail.